Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to disconnect Bluetooth speaker to our Realme phone guys. Guys you have connected guys any Bluetooth speaker with your Realme phone guys. So guys I have connected guys this JBL speaker and guys I want to disconnect. So guys how can I disconnect? In this video guys I will show you friends. So first of all guys open your phone setting to disconnect. So friends you can see this type of setting, then guys click on guys your Bluetooth setting to disconnect this speaker. So friends you can see guys we have connected JBL Go company speaker and guys we want to disconnect. So guys right side icon guys tap here to disconnect. Then guys you can see your disconnect option. So guys we will click on disconnect and guys we will off it from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect Bluetooth speaker to our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video.